Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So our topic today is what is COQ? COQ means cost of quality. So firstly I want to tell you what is cost of quality. Cost of quality means in which the management determines the use of different resources needed to maintain the right kind of the product or service so as to prevent the poor quality. So this is the basic definition of COQ. So before moving further ahead, firstly I want to show you the contents. So these are what is cost of quality, types of cost of quality, size of various cost elements, benefits of cost of quality. So let's discuss each contents one by one in detail. What is cost of quality? Cost of quality is a methodology used to define and measure where and what amount of an organization resources are being used for prevention activities and maintaining the product quality. Means cost of quality is a method which is used to determine what amount of the resources is needed to maintain the right kind of the products or service so as to prevent the poor quality. Okay, resources through different resources, man resource, material resource, method resource. So cost of quality is the sum of two factors, the cost of good quality and cost of poor quality. Okay, cost of good quality is also known as cost of conformance. It is divided into two parts. So it is further divided into two parts, prevention cost and appraisal cost. In prevention costs are the cost of those activities specially designed to prevent poor quality products or service. Means these activities are which are required to prevent the poor quality product or service or comes in the prevention cost. Okay, these costs are to keep the appraisal and failure cost at minimum. Okay, so to keep appraisal and failure cost at minimum, we require prevention cost. And the activities which are associated with prevention costs are the quality planning, development of quality management system, proper employee training, new product development and testing. Means all these activities which are needed or required to do these activities are comes in the prevention cost. Okay. Appraisal cost which is used to maintain acceptable product quality level. Means cost which is needed or required to maintain the product quality so that customer agree to accept the product. Okay, and the activities which are associated with appraisal costs are prototype testing, quality audit, process inspection, incoming material inspection. So these activities are comes in the appraisal cost. Cost of non-conformance. So cost of non-conformance is used for failure cost. Cost of non-conformance results in negative business impacts. Okay, cost of non-conformance consists of two elements. So cost of non-conformance is divided into two parts: uh, internal failure cost and external failure cost. Okay, internal failure cost related to corrective action taken to identify within a project or an organization. Means in internal cost of their failure we take the corrective action. Means we identify our problem and take the root cause on that problem, and then we eliminate those problems by taking corrective action. So internal failures are those failure in which customer do not know the failure. In this type of the failure, customer know the type of the failure. And examples of internal failure costs are rework, scrap, NCs, mean non-conformance in internal audit, process audit, and the product audit. Okay. External failure cost. External failure cost covers the costs that are spent to respond to customer complaints on the quality of a product. Means the costs which are required or which are needed to respond the customer complaint on the product quality comes in the external failure cost. It also considers indirect effects such as negative impacts on sales and overall business. Okay, external failures include warranty work and loss of business. So loss of business and warranty work comes in the external failure cost. Okay, size of various cost of quality means how much cost required in an organization to maintain the right kind of the product or service in an organization. Uh, so prevention So for maintaining the prevention cost, it take 1% of the total cost of the investment. Appraisal cost, it take 4 to 6% of the total cost of investment. Internal cost, it require 10 to 12% of the total cost of investment, and internal external cost require 10 to 15% of the total cost of the investment. Therefore, total cost of quality results in 25 to 35% of the turnover. Total cost of quality results in 25 to 35% of the total turnover. Okay. Benefits of cost of quality. It helps to identify waste in the system. Means we identify the waste. Waste means muda, and there are different types of the wastes. We can identify those wastes through cost of quality. We can arrange quality management projects through cost of quality. Align goals with the quality goals. So these are the benefits of the cost of quality. Thank you. I hope all of you got understood what is COQ, what are the different types of COQ, and what is the benefits of COQ. Okay. And if you still have any doubts or query, please write in my comment section below. And if you like my video, please like it in my YouTube channel. So thank you.